Hello my friends, welcome to the Bearded Garden, where we're going to show you how to grow some proper herbs and fruits from seed, buy from the store, but don't hesitate to try from scratch. It could be fun and rewarding. We're talking real freshness here, the kind that'll make your taste buds sing. Today we'll walk you through the germination times and planting steps for each of these little beauties. So enjoy this remarkable process. Basil, this beautiful fragrant herb is your ticket to a taste of Italy, and it germinates faster than you can say, germinates? We're talking 5 to 10 days tops. You want fresh pesto? You got it. Caprese salad that'll taste amazing? Then get these seeds started. Make sure you're using a good quality seed starting mix. Never overwater them. A light misting is all they need. Cilantro, you either love it or love it, there's no in between. Now listen carefully. You want fresh salsa, vibrant Vietnamese spring rolls? Then get this seed in the ground. 7 to 10 days is all it takes for these seeds to germinate. But here's the kicker. Cilantro hates being transplanted, so sow these seeds directly into your garden beds and let the magic happen. Make sure to space them out. Radishes, crunchy and peppery. These little beauties will sprout in just 3 to 4 days, perfect for adding a bit of zing to your salads. Plant them directly in the ground, about 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Keep the soil moist and get ready to harvest in a flash. These are so easy and fast enjoyable to grow. Lettuce, the backbone of any decent salad. But forget those sad, wilted supermarket bags. We're growing our own, and we're doing it fast. Lettuce seeds will be popping out of the ground in 7 to 10 days. Sow these seeds directly into your garden beds, or start them indoors for a head start. Just remember, lettuce needs consistent moisture, so don't let it dry out. Tomatoes, the king of the garden, juicy, flavorful, and the heart of so many dishes. Now these bad boys take a bit longer, about 5 to 10 days to germinate, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep in a good quality seed starting mix. Once they sprout, give them plenty of sunshine and water. Remember to support those vines. We don't want them collapsing under the weight of all those beautiful tomatoes. Well, there you have it, a guide to the fastest growing herbs and fruits. Now get out there and start planting. Another start to a new beginning for planting seeds. Until next time, this is The Bearded Garden. Thanks for watching. Happy planting and may your garden flourish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. And remember, if your food is boring, then that's okay too. Stay healthy, my friends.